and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. NCP decides to contest election on its own, refuses to align with Congress in Goa. Nilkant for North, Yuri Alemao for South. NCP finalizes candidates. AAP's probable candidates for Lok Sabha election almost finalized. Dr. Dattaram Desai for North and Swati Kerkar for South. Announcement by 11th March. Lok Sabha poll dates are deliberately scheduled on 17th April on Maundy Thursday, says Congress. Demands action against local election officers. No use by revoking interim ban on mining. Supreme Court should decide. Union Home Minister involved in frauds. CM replies to motion on governor's speech. And Indian football team fails to impress against young Bangladeshi outfit. Lack of progress raises question marks on coach Veem Koverman's strategy. And now the news in detail. NCP has decided to contest Lok Sabha election on its own in Goa. The state leaders of the party have refused to align with the Congress. State president of the NCP confirmed to Prudent that he has got clearance from Delhi for this move. Party has finalized Nilkant Halankar as the candidate for North and Yuri Alemao as the candidate for South Goa.
काल इलेक्शन डिक्लेअर झाल्या उपरांत आम्ही आज SMS करून कम्युनिकेट करून आम्ही मागला की जाताचे बेगीन आमकां कॅन्डिडेट दी की दीस कमी आहा ग्राउंड वर्क परत जाता जोरान करपाक जाय म्हणून सो आमकां मेसेज दिला टेलिफोनिकली कितें की तुमी गो हेड नॉर्थ आनी साउथ दोनूय आमी लढयता म्हणून आनी एक दोन दिसांनी म्हाका दिल्लीक आपयतले फाल्यां ना परवा एंड इट विल बी फायनलायज्ड both the candidates. We are going directly. That is the message from the High Command.
On day one of my appointment, I have mentioned to everybody in Goa that Congress is going to fight seat in North Goa. So that is our stand. I don't want to comment about other parties. Congress is going to fight North Goa seat. That is the decision. And that is my high command decision on the day one of my appointment. आम्ही किती म्हणता तुमकडेन कॅन्डिडेट ना तुमकडेन पार्टी ना तुम्ही आमचे कॅन्डिडेट वचता आणि आमची पार्टी वापरता आणि तुम्ही म्हणता तुम्ही तुमची फक्त ती पार्टीची हे आसा बोर्ड आसा तुमकडे
ओके आणि त्याचा इफेक्ट जावचो ना तुमचे सेक्युलर वोट
not at all. Congress has been fighting NCP throughout the country. Only in Goa somebody took a wrong decision to have so-called alliance.
On the other side, Aam Aadmi Party has almost finalized their candidates for Lok Sabha election. Highly placed sources in the party confirmed to Prudent that two names are being considered for both constituencies. Prudent has learned that name of Dr. Dattaram Desai is being considered for North Goa, whereas name of long-time activist Swati Kerkar is being considered for South Goa, a Prudent exclusive. Aam Aadmi Party leader Arvind Kejriwal is visiting Goa on 11th March. He will officially kick off the party's Goa campaign. The local unit of the party has geared up to face the first Lok Sabha election. Sources told Prudent that local leadership has almost finalized the candidates for both the Lok Sabha seats. Dr. Dattaram Desai for North Goa and Swati Kerkar for South Goa. Party followed participatory process while finalizing these candidates. The state leaders went to the grassroots and asked for suggestions for candidature. The names of Dattaram Desai and Swati Kerkar were considered after attaining a broad consensus. Arvind Kejriwal will address public meeting at Azad Maidan on 11th March. Aam Aadmi Party geared up to declare candidates for both Lok Sabha constituencies. Announcement may happen when Kejriwal arrives in Goa. Dr. Oscar Rebello, when asked, confirmed that party will send only two names of candidates to their Central Election Committee for clearance.
We give you impeccable candidates of impeccable integrity and full of credibility. These things take time, so We have got a protocol that we have to follow. We have sent our names up to the central whatever committee, whatever it's called, the PSC. They will send it down, we approve, and of course we will have our names on the ground, I think, within the next 2-3 days, and we should be running with that.
Following were the criteria followed by the Aam Aadmi Party while finalizing their candidates: clean image, good character, experience of public life, impeccable integrity, socially sensitive. Meanwhile, Aam Aadmi Party said CM has violated code of conduct. Party has objected to announcement of some of the populistic schemes. Party has also criticized the government for its failure to raise the budgeted revenue.
हाणी जो कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट काल डिक्लेअर जालो तेजें हें टोटल वायोलेशन आसा. बजेट मांडूंक शकता पूण जे बजेटांतल्यान ज्यो स्कीम आसा लोकां पर्यंत ज्यो पावोवपाच्यो स्कीम आसा तितून बदल करपाक मेळना.
पण तातूंत भितर मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग सेक्टराचो कांयच प्रोग्रेस दिसना. इट इज जस्ट सोशल सेक्टर पळय आसा न्ही, लोकांक पयशे दिवपाचे तातूंतच चड पयशे हें करता. आनी मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग सेक्टर आमी आतां पळयता, आमी कंपनी बंद जाली, मेटास्ट्रीप बंद जाली, गाल बंद जाता. सो जे प्रोडक्शन युनिट्स गोंयांत आसा ती एक बंद जायत चल्ल्या आनी आमी सोशल हातूंत भितर पयशे घालीत चल्ल्या. सो दीस इज खंय तरी चुकीचें अशें म्हाका दिसता.
Bureau Report, Prudent. Congress has demanded rescheduling of Lok Sabha poll dates in Goa. Congress alleged that polling is deliberately scheduled on 17th April, that's on Monday, Thursday. Congress has blamed local election officers for failing to apprise the election commissioner on religious obligations. Congress has demanded immediate action against the officers.
Congress alleges that Joint Chief Electoral Officer Narayan Nauti has links with the BJP.
Presented to the Election Commission also for an inquiry on the local election officers that the Deputy CEO Narayan Kiwate is often seen on the dais of BJP, and whether this RSS card is played by this local election officers. Election Commission should inquire. His budget should have not been brought in such promises which violates the election code of conduct. And all those decisions which has been announced should be stayed by the Election Commission. It is a violation of code of conduct.
CM Parrikar claims that the casinos will be out of Mandovi by December 2015. John said Parrikar is cheating people. He should come out with a legislation to support his statement.
Any cabinet decision has no force of law. Mr. Parrikar has to bring in law right away. He is promoting casinos.
John also warned government not to disturb communal harmony in Goa. He has charged Parrikar of promoting RSS affiliated organizations with the state funds.
I request Mr. Parrikar not to vitiate the communal harmony in the state in his quest to saffronize Goa. And it is highly objectionable that such organization which has affiliation to Sangh Parivar will be funded and budgeted by the Goa government.
Congress says Parrikar has suspended mining in Goa and not the Supreme Court.
Then again Mr. Parrikar has made a statement through the governor that a package is not coming from central government. Mining has been stopped by Mr. Parrikar. Mr. Parrikar is selling all the e-auctioning iron ore which has been impounded. So that money should be used by him to rehabilitate the mining dependents.
The budget has been leaked to Ramdev by the Honorable Chief Minister, which violates the oath and secrecy which he has taken on the day of becoming the Chief Minister. And if you see the interesting part, a 50 lakh of budget has been provided for Forum for Integrated National Security. Again, it's the RSS patronized organization.
Senior reporter Lok Sabha with video journalist Sushant Par for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.